to my channel Lara Tanisha. I'm gonna unbox this beautiful clay stickers Princess DIY, and it says make 3 stickers, air dry, foam clay, fill the clay, peel the sticker, stick on the window, and warning, choking hazard, small pots not for children under 3 years, 3 plus. And what we have on the back? Oh, look what I made. Mix the colors. Wow, these are beautiful colors. Overlap. Here's what you get. 3 clay stickers. This is so nice. I'm gonna unbox it now. Let's see. Now let's see what we have inside. Let's unbox it. Wow, there's so many beautiful colors. It's a skin color, I guess, but it looks like orangey. Let's see the next one. Oh, I love this green color. It's a light green. I love this. What do we have next now? Oh, another one. There are 2 of them. Okay. And we have a pot pink. And my favorite color is pink. I love this color. Well, let's see the next one. Another one. Oh, okay. Let's go. Brown. Wow, this is so nice. It's so squishy. Oh. Purple one is my favorite color too. It's so pretty. So squishy. Whoa, I love this dark blue color. It's so nice. It will be perfect. Another one. Pink again. Okay. Another one. It's another blue and another purple again. Wow, there's so many princesses. I love this one. Wow, there's 2 princesses. There's also another one inside. Wow, it's a fairy. Look, it has a wings and a magic wand. Wait, there's a last one inside. Another blue. Okay, now let's do it. It'll be a fun adventure. Let's pick up princesses. Since I love fairy, let's do this one. I'm gonna do this today. First, we need to pick a color. Which color can I choose? Oh, let's do the first. The hair. It's a brown color. Let's open it. Now I open it, but it's so sticky. It's okay. Let's do it. It's fun, I guess, but a little sticky. Ah, my hands are getting so sticky now. Let's add another layer. Ugh. Okay. So sticky. Okay, let's take another one. Okay, we finished the hair. Now let's do the next part. Let's pick the skin color. Okay, it will be so tough now because my hands are so sticky. Ugh. Yeah. Okay, let's just go on. Okay, it's good. Now let's move on for the leg and the arms. It's so hard for me to stick this. Well, the brown one was so sticky. Well, this skin color is not sticky and it's so easy to put. Okay, let's just push that in like a stick. It looked like perfect, I guess. Just the last one. My hands are not sticky anymore because of the brown thing. Yes, the clay. Yeah. Pick another one. Hello. Okay. It looks like perfect now, I guess. Now next we should go for the. Let's start with the dress. Now I need to pick a color. We should pick blue color, and I guess we should also pick the green color. We should mix in it. Okay, now I opened it. Now let's just start. Oh no, it's so sticky again. Let's let it come and shrink. Okay, let's just put it. No, stop. Okay. Okay. So tough, I can't do this. The green is way more stickier than the brown one. Okay, I'm trying to put it. I'm trying my best. Ugh, so sticky. Ugh. Oh no, my hand. Look at this. Stop getting stick to my hand. Stick on the dress. Okay. Come here. Okay, look like perfect. Now I just need to cut the blue one. Hope so the blue one won't be sticky just like the brown one and the green one. Okay, now let's go on instead. Oh no, the blue one is also sticky. It's so worse like the brown one and the green one. The skin one is way more better than these one. Come on. Come on, go off of it, go away. Oh, I like the color, but look at this. My hands are so sticky. Go away. It's so hard to put this. So sticky. I thought it would become soft just like the skin color. Go off of me. Go away. Go. So tough. Take some more blue. Ugh, so tough. Yeah. Okay, and just I guess I put it. Let me see. Some last finishing touches. Where is the brown on here? I think so. It's okay, I guess. We'll just move on the next color. Wait, this. We should put the blue one for the wings. Yeah. So let's put it with my messy hands. No, can't. Yeah, go away. Well, okay, I'm just cleaning my hand. Now we can finally put it. And now sticky again. Okay, let's try to put it. Go. Oh, come on. Okay. Go. You're not going to? Oh, my hands are so blue now. Look like paint. Just getting some new one. Let's get some another one. And okay, trying to put this thing. Ugh. I think this will be my worst. Get off me! Stop! It looks like slime. Oh. Oh no. Okay. No, stop. You're making my hand messy. Ugh, so worst. Go. Oh. Come. Oh my god. Let's put it. I can't. More harder if I try. I wish it could do it. Okay. Let's just do it. Oh no! So tough. Well, I made it finally. So let's go to the next color. Let's take it out. Trying to just. Oh no, it didn't work. Okay, just do it. Oh no, it's so bad now. Just try to put this thing. Okay, let's just try to put like this, but no, not this. Another one again. Can't place this. Come on, we can do this. Okay, now I take a lot of clay. So I'm trying to put it now. Okay? I'll just get in there. let's put some little bit more until this frame is completed. Take some more. Just get in there, that little bit more left, and then I can finally go to the next one. Well, I finally finished the purple one. Now let's go to the last one. Let's take a nice one. Now, I'll just put it properly this time. I don't want my hands to be messed up again. Well, it's already. So, anyway, we'll just stick this instead. Let's take this. Now let's put this. Okay. And finally, the last one. Now, let's take another one. Okay, I think so it's the lower. Let's just go to the star one. Okay, now let's finish with the star. Let's take this out. Now, I think so. It's over. It's over, and it looks so pretty now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to watch the other parts, like part 2 and part 3. And don't forget to wash your hands if it's so sticky. Bye.